With Bitcoin back up above $60,000 and Shiba Inu Coin back up above 1,400 points per coin, the overall cryptocurrency market is looking pretty good, but it's still not exciting. It's still not what we need to see for the real bull market rally to be taking place. It's still not what we need to see for investors to return and gain that confidence that they once had to drive that FOMO buying and to drive Shiba Inu Coin higher. But we do have 2 trillion Shiba Inu Coin trading hands, an uptick, and we're going to be talking about it in this video today because, guys, I'm going to tell you right now, this moment that you were in, this stagnation, this staleness, this moment that you have right now really dictates what's going to be taking place when things are exciting, when prices are moving higher. If you accumulate now, you will see the benefits when prices begin to rise and retail begins to return. If you give up, well, of course you won't be here. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Cryptonomy. If you want to make money in the cryptocurrency space, you have got to check out Cryptonomy. Right now, they are offering a perfect opportunity for everybody that is willing to accumulate during the current stagnation. Guys, right now is the time that's going to set apart the difference between those that make it and those that don't. If you give up, you're going to be like every other retail investor out there. If you persist, if you push through, you're going to see the glories of the bull market, and Cryptonomy is going to help you do that. They're going to help you accumulate in times of stagnation, and even more so when things are doing well. Now, the first way they can do that is the giveaway that they have going on right now. $200,000. $100,000 worth of Ethereum and $100,000 worth of Solana are being given away. All you guys have to do to participate is follow their Telegram accounts, follow them on X, and make a fixed deposit stake or a launch pool by August 20th. Now, by the time you're watching this video, the time may be over to do so, but you're going to have to gear up, get ready to watch these rewards be given away on August 27th. People are going to win from $100 all the way up to $10,000. And this is just one example of the way that Cryptonomy is willing to give away, especially during these times when people need to be focused on accumulating. Now, I do want to go through and show you some of the results because Cryptonomy is offering incredible rewards for staking and, of course, for opening these launch pools. Now, right off the bat, you can see 153, 172%, and the list goes on and on. So no matter what cryptocurrency you guys own, you can be earning incredible rewards for staking, and I want to show you the results on my positions here. So if we scroll through and we go back to, let's just go to the beginning of April here. I opened one up with some Solana, and you guys can see that it is already accrued over 19 Solana in interest. Look, I really appreciate what these guys are doing. I am ready to accumulate. I am doing what other people are unwilling to do. I am accumulating during this time and during this stagnation. So I have some Shiba Inu Coin available here, and I want to continue accumulating during this, I guess, stale period in the cryptocurrency space. And we're going to go through and we're going to open up a new 12-month deposit here so that I can earn 138% on an annualized basis. Now, of course, I have read and I do agree to the terms and conditions. You guys should read those as well. And just that easy, guys. I just opened up an account for 138% annualized interest. Now, tell me how beautiful that's going to be when the position more than doubles and then you see the bull market rally taking place next year, and I've already been able to accumulate more without going out and buying any more Shiba Inu Coin. Now, the next thing I want to show you guys is their launch pool. Right now, 1,039% is the current average return on investment. The all-time high average, 57x. The launch pool is Cryptonomy's bread and butter, and it's just as easy to create a contract. I'll show you that in a second, but I want to show you the results first. All you got to do is check these out, and you should be convinced. But hey, we'll find out, right? I'm going to go back to the beginning of April again, and you guys can see the accrued interest on this, 56,504 USDT. Amazing. Now, it's just as easy to open up a fixed or a launch pool contract right here. And I've got some Solana available, so I am going to open it up with some Solana here. And let's go, I think that's going to be good. I am going to do a bronze tier, which means that I can earn up to a 5x increase on my money. Continue. I've read the terms and conditions, and just like that, it is that easy to open up Cryptonomy's launch pool. Guys, I am staking, I am accumulating, I am here for the bull market rally, and I don't have to go out and buy additional assets. I can simply use what I already have through Cryptonomy to accrue more. And that is one of the ways that you can, one, convince yourself to stick around and be here, but two, accumulate more without spending your hard-earned money if you don't want to. Now, I do want to show you some other things that Cryptonomy offers absolutely free. They've got a couple Telegram accounts, and you guys can see that they're posting on a daily basis, and they offer people free information so that you can stay up to date on everything going on in the cryptocurrency space. Another thing, free research, and of course paid research as well for VIP members. You got to make that VIP status in order to unlock some of these articles here, like, you know, this guy. But go on, you can read through these absolutely free, get as much information and knowledge as possible. And then they have even more Telegram accounts, 18,000 subscribers in this one right here. And you guys can see that they keep you up to date on a daily basis. Cryptonomy is the best way to, number one, make sure you're going to stick around for the bull market, but number two, accumulate absolutely, essentially free by staking your assets without having to go out and buy additional. And if you guys make sure to reach out to Cryptonomy, let them know that Claybro sent you. Alright everybody, make sure to check out Cryptonomy. They're one of the best ways that you guys can accumulate without going out there and spending additional money. I know that's one thing that you know, I think about often, right? Should I go out there? Should I buy more? Should I buy more? Should I buy more? Should I buy? And it gets really annoying, man, when you keep on buying and buying and buying and buying. But if you can accumulate more, whether it's Shiba Inu Coin or any other cryptocurrency, simply by holding, it's one of the best opportunities that we have to grow our portfolios, especially if the price action is not moving to the upside at the moment. But we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin in this video, so let's go over what this article has to say about 2 trillion Shiba Inu Coin in the last 24 hours. It says the last 24 hours have been marked by some unusual activity behind the scenes of the popular meme-inspired cryptocurrency Shiba Inu. According to data from Into the Block, the main indicator of whale activity for the Shiba Inu token has spiked more than 81% in the last 24 hours. As a result, the volume of large transactions of at least $100,000 has surpassed 2.1 trillion Shiba Inu Coin. Translated into money, the metric reached almost $30 million in the last day. So I want to point this out because this is very important. Retail investors feel as though nothing is happening. Retail investors feel as though, darn it, man, I can't accumulate anymore. This crypto space is getting very boring. You know, prices aren't really doing anything. We're not seeing that life-changing wealth that everybody has talked about. But look at what whales are doing. Guys, $30 million trading hands in a single day in a single cryptocurrency is beyond phenomenal. You see, these whales didn't become whales. I can't say this. I was going to say these whales didn't become whales because they were lucky. Some of them probably did get lucky. But here's what you need to understand. They understand the cyclical nature of the markets. They understand that if they're simply here for that bull market rally, and it lasts very, very short period of time. It is a very quick, here today, gone tomorrow type of a deal where prices rise exponentially. They took advantage of it. They were here. They were accumulating during 2017, 18, 19, 2020, and they took advantage of it in 2021. Now, because of that, these whales seemingly have unlimited money. They can go out there and they can accumulate and accumulate and accumulate, and that is exactly what they do. Why? Because they know just because the price is stagnant and stale right now doesn't mean that it's going to be that way forever. Shiba Inu Coin will rip higher in price once again, and when it does, the $30 million that traded hands, these massive quantities that these whales are willing to load up on, even if they just double, triple, quadruple their money. They're going to be talking about 500,000, a million, $1.5 million in profits. And that's enough to last an entire lifetime. Look, I am here for it. I am accumulating. I do think Cryptonomy is an excellent way to accumulate if you're done buying. If you just can't do it anymore and you say, I have what I have and this is enough. One of the ways that you can add more is by staking and accumulating in that way. Make sure to check them out. But guys, do not give up. I feel it. Views are low. Morale is low. Comments. Even X. Go out to Twitter, right? Twitter used to be full of cryptocurrency and thrills of gains and losses. And now it's all politics, man. We're going through a very strange time right now. But I do know that cycles happen. Once you begin to feel this way, this is usually the bottom of the bottom. And afterwards comes the major rally. I'm actually getting excited about it, talking about it right now, because I know, man, we push through these days and good things are going to happen. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.